All opinions and views expressed by the speakers are not representative of views and opinions of RBC Dominion Securities, Inc. All information and opinions provided in this video are in good faith, but without legal responsibility.
Welcome back to Wealth Management in Motion. My name is Miles Durko, Senior Investment and Wealth Advisor at RBC Wealth Management in Winnipeg, Manitoba. I want to talk to you today about what I call the 4 pillars of success for a retirement portfolio. And these are 4 ideas that when working together in conjunction with one another, we've found that they really lead to substantial success with your retirement portfolio. Now, just like the chair that I'm sitting on, the chair that many of you might be sitting on, that might have 4 legs. If you take away one of those chair legs, it gets kind of wobbly. Just like these 4 pillars, they all need to be there. They all need to be working in conjunction with one another. And I really just want to talk today a little bit deeper about pillar number 1. Pillar number 1, the first thing we have to understand about our retirement portfolio is the longevity. Now, when I say longevity, I'm talking about the longevity of our portfolio. I'm talking about how long does our portfolio need to last us. You see, we go out and we have a career, we do a job, and we work for a living, and then we get to a place where we get to retire. And when we retire, our portfolio then has a job to do. It has to go out and work every day to provide for us through our retirement. So what's the longevity of that retirement portfolio's career? How long does our money need to last for us in retirement? Well, what we know, and studies have shown that of a married couple presently here in Canada and non-smoking, it's thought that at least one member of that couple is going to live to the age of 92. Okay, so that's a data point. We may, or our spouse may live to the age of 92. So we have to fund life up to the age of 92 potentially. But when do we start dipping into our retirement portfolio? I'd suggest we start dipping into our retirement portfolios when we retire. So we all retire at different ages, and some of us retire, earlier than our friends and neighbors because we have enough money and we can financially pull the pin on working. Some of us retire early because we have health challenges and we need to stop working to focus on taking care of ourselves. Some of us work longer than our friends and neighbors because we have a financial need to earn more money to sustain ourselves, or we just simply love what we do and we want to keep doing it. But mathematically, the average age of a Canadian when they retire is age 62. So if we look at having to fund our life until age 92 and start funding that retirement life at age 62, it tells us we have a 30-year retirement to fund. We have a 3-decade retirement that we can look forward to, which is much unlike our parents or our grandparents, because right now we're experiencing and enjoying a longevity boom. But along with that longevity boom means we have to be looking at funding more years of retirement. One thing that I want to invite you to do is visit my website, milesdurko.com, and right on the homepage, we're not hiding it on you, it's right there, so easy for you to see. milesdurko.com is an actionable item where it says insights to impact. Some of the things we're going to talk about on this channel, Wealth Management in Motion, is just that. It's talk, it's ideas. And we love to share information and ideas with you. And that's why we're doing this channel. But we want to put some actionable information in the palm of your hand. So if you would, go to milesdurko.com, right on the homepage, under the title that says Insights to Impact. I want you to take a look. There's a drop-down box there, and it has many, many different topics of financial areas that could really add a beautiful, positive impact to your financial life. So again, while there's 4 pillars, in my opinion, of a successful retirement portfolio, today we touched on the first pillar, the longevity of a retirement portfolio. Join us in our next video where we dig into pillar number 2. That's where things really get exciting. Again, I'm Miles Durko. in the heart of it all, right here with you at Portage and Main.